about half a cup horseradish instead of mustard, lemon juice from a lemon, orange juice from a fresh orange, apple cider, yogurt, or I use Lebanese, salt and pepper, and some honey. I put about 2 tablespoons of labneh, about half a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon horseradish or mustard, salt and pepper, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Add your lemon juice, orange juice from fresh oranges, whisk it all up, and added it to your coleslaw. Now the carrots I shredded with the food processor, but the cabbage I cut it up with a knife, thinly sliced.